guys, what's up? This is Dragonfire here, and today I have an unboxing of one of the great safes I can actually know. This is Tigerking safes. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. But most likely you will love it to buy it. This has 3 types of unlocks. We have a key, which is the emergency key unlock. I'll show you that. There is also a electronic pin. I'll show you how to work that. And a fingerprint scan to unlock. I'll show you how that works too. So let's go on and get unboxing. So we have the front. It's labeled front. We got the back. That labels back. And then, of course, you have the lid that says this up. So, let's go on and get this unboxing, shall we? Here you go. We get this with 2 keys. It comes with the instructions and a service card. And with the safe, there's no easy way to get it out, okay? So, of course, you're going to have to tip it on the side and flip it up. All right. Get that over there. Now we can flip it back over. And here we go. It comes with this plastic wrap on it. Not bad. Wrapping and everything. And there you go, guys. We got the fingerprint scanner right here. You have to buy 4 AA batteries to go inside. The fingerprint scan works just like it takes your fingerprint, scans it, and voila. You can set your passcode on this right here, and of course you got your key that goes right here. But you said, where? Huh? Well, don't worry, guys. This is how it does. There you go. So, how about we show you how it goes, how it works. Brought to you by Tigerking Safes. Hey guys, this is part 2 of the safe, how it works. Well, like I said, you don't see how to get in there. It's all electronic. No, it's not. Tigerking provided a way to get in, which is these keys. So, you just slip this back here. See? Tigerking. So, and you use one of these keys. You put it in the slot. And gotta put it in the right way. Okay. So, only goes in a certain way. And then you push in and turn to the left. And then you twist this to the right. Sorry about the noise. That is the plate that comes in with it. You get this little plate right in here. It's adjustable. You come with this little felt. Comes with screws to install it on the wall or in the floor. And of course you got these little styrofoam little things. So let's go and put that to the side here. Okay. Just so we don't forget, we can put that back on. Put it back on here. There you go. Alright. Up inside, we have a small little area up in here. And of course the battery slot right here. Let me get you a little closer here. Okay. We got the battery slot here. And this is where you put all your batteries at. already got 2 in there already. Okay. Now it only goes in like that, and then you're going to hear a little chime. There you go. Means it's working. Now you're wondering how to set our codes up. So let me reset everything. Okay. So now we go over here. We locked it. Okay. Now we're trying to find out what to do. Got our fingerprint scan. It scans it, and we can open it. There you go. Again, we're going to try this again. Okay, let's get a little closer here. See the lights on? Okay. Now, put our finger there. Lights turn green right there. And we unlocked. There you go. Now, we can go up in closer. We'll see these little buttons right up inside here. These little buttons. I don't know if I can get it. There you are. These buttons right here is a reset. That's to reset the code. And this is to reset the lock, the fingerprint. So it's the code is 1, 2, 3 pound. Okay, that is the other code. So we're going to lock it again. Alright, wait for that to go disappear. Alright. So now we're going to wait for it to disappear. Now you want to change the code is that's to unlock. See, that's the code to unlock it, the temporary code, reset, that's a factory reset. So you want to press the 1. You hear 2 chimes, and then you press the 1, 2, 3 pound, and then you enter your code now, which is 2121 pound. Then you enter it again, 2121 pound. Now it's secured. Now, if you want to get in, you can't use that 1, 2, 3 code, because that dit means invalid code. The one we did is the following, 2121 pound. It unlocks. There you go. So, we got the fingerprint. We got the key first, which is the key. Okay. The key. Come on. It only goes one way, guys. So, there you go. And then you turn it counterclockwise, and then do that. So now, it's going to set the fingerprint scan, because that's not supposed to happen. So, remember the green was on the, the red was on the bottom, green was on top. So to set the fingerprint scan, you reset, and then come over here, and now it remembered your fingerprint. So anybody else can actually come up here, and they won't be able to get in or nothing like that. So we lock it down, and voila. that's how you do it. It comes with these screws. These bolts, you can put it into the wall or so. But that's my review of the Tigerking safe. Guys, I would give this a 10 out of 10 rating. This is a good safe for the portability and everything that comes with it. You can easily set it up. I mean, easily. It probably weighs, I think, probably about 30 pounds. 20 to 30 pounds. Or a little bit more than that. But it's worth it. So again, 2121 pound. And voila. There you go, guys. It doesn't include 4 batteries. You have to provide 4 batteries. But all in all, it's good. I will leave a link in the description if you want to buy it, guys. That's all. Peace out. Dragonfire out.